Internal genital organs. Internal genital organs in female include പ്രധാനമായും internal genital organ ഏത്? വജൈന, യൂട്രസ്, ഫാലോപ്പിയൻ ട്യൂബ്സ് and the ovaries. Vagina, uterus, fallopian tubule and the ovaries. Fallopian tube, vagina. This one fallopian tube. This one is uterus. Next one ovary. Fallopian tubule, vagina, uterus, ovary.